Hello everybody, here's Rylee and Devin back again, this time to show off all the different construction equipment that they have. And there's Boozy, he wants to join in the fun. Whenever you're ready, guys.
Ready. Ready.
What y'all got?
I got a tractor, New Holland tractor that came with a bucket here. And also there's a trailer that could dump, and this dumps also. And the tractor's motor open and also makes sounds. And also here I got like a hard hat from my grandma, and it's from Brooder.
Which grandma?
Do you know?
Grandma Joyce?
Grandma Joyce. And here's a big crane. See that? Here's my big crane that. Also, here's a truck that pulls the loader and a trailer. And this. And here I got on the back trucks.
Rylee.
And then we go over here. See this crane? See that wheel? And then when it does this, take it with those wheels down, and then it lifts up like this. Lift. Then you can do this, pull it up, crank it. Now pull it up, crank it. There it is. Now pull this.
Alright, thank you, Devin.
Now here's the John Deere skid loader. The arms lift. They lift up like that. They come back down. If you just like pull this up, and then it comes down. It also comes with a bucket and a fork, but I can't find the fork. I got a Bobcat S300. I got it from Grandma, and I have a bucket that came with it, and some forks with any wood or steel, and they come off, and they come with a new thing. It's called like backhoe boom. And it fits on either skid loaders. And it comes with a gram hauler. And this could be like a another attachment, but here's some wooden blocks that I got with the Bobcat S300. And here's a construction cone. I had 3 of them, but they're lost, but I can't see any. I can't find them any. And here's my dad's old grader. It's very good, it still works. And here's some trucks. There's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. And here's a trailer that fits on this truck here. And this is the one. And the back goes down. And here's my dad made this size load with ramps. Anything can go on it, like the grader, the cone, or the wood, or the John Deere skid loader. Boo, sit. Boo, come here. Sit. That's it.
That's it? That's a lot of stuff.
Actually, one more thing. No. Here's I got a cat skid steer loader track loader. And I got this truck down here. It can move very good. And also here's a cat roller. Or it can do this. So I just hook it up.
Alright, is that it, guys?
I think so.
Alright, can you say bye?
Bye.
Devin, can you say bye?
No.
Why not?
Bye.
Bye, Devin. See you later.
Can do this. There. Now can hook up to this. And then this can do this. Can slide into the hook. Then it does this.
Cool. Alright, Devin. We'll see you next time.
I need to tell something.
Hurry up.
My dad made this because it was like a dump truck and the things didn't work, so he made it into a wood piece and then a trailer. And this week on my birthday, I'm gonna get a wheel loader from the Bruder store from Debbie. And I'm gonna get that big semi with the bulldozer with the little ramp.